Hi everyone, block of the month this month is a 4 squared block. So you're going to cut out only 4 3.5 by 3.5 inch squares to make our 6-inch block. It's going to end up being 6.5, just like all the rest of these blocks, but once you sew it in, it'll only be 6 inches. So this one is super easy to put together. So we're just going to grab 2 of our blocks, doesn't matter which 2, and I'm going to face them right sides together, line them up nice and tight there, get those corners in, and then we're going to sew along one edge. Simple, right? I told you guys it's beginners this year. Now we're going to take the other 2 blocks and I am going to get them right sides together. I'm going to sew those 2 together. Alright, so now we have 2 pieces. I do need to iron these down, so I'm going to iron them down really quick, and then we're going to sew them together. So I have pressed my seams, and you can see they're nice and clean. So one thing I will tell you is you should iron one seam one way. You can see this one is going that way, and I am ironing the other seam that way. So that way when they get sewn together, you don't get this bulk, and that is called a nested seam. So for those of you who are fantastic sewers who do this all the time, you know this just makes your quilts a little bit nicer. So you can see even when I'm holding it up, one seam's going up, one seam's going down. All right, we're going to sew that together. And we're done. Okay, easiest block ever. Even easier than that strip one because you have less sewing to do. So I would iron this, and you don't have to worry about up or down. Just choose one way, or the other thing you can do is iron it open. So people who sew clothing always iron open. You can do that on quilts as well. So that is it for block of the month for February. I hope you have a chance to make this, and I will see you next month.